Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the way we work, offering innovative solutions that go far beyond traditional productivity tools. Today, AI-powered platforms can serve as your personal assistant, researcher, and scheduler, all working seamlessly to simplify complex tasks and help you stay organized. These advancements allow you to reclaim valuable time and focus on what truly matters. In this segment, we'll explore 8 cutting-edge AI tools designed to tackle everyday challenges and elevate your efficiency to new heights. Let's take a closer look at 8 standout AI tools that are transforming productivity across various domains. Notion AI streamlines writing and note-taking, while Grammarly Go ensures your communication is clear and polished. Mem acts as a smart personal assistant, organizing your knowledge and reminders. Microsoft 365 Copilot automates tasks within Office apps, and Perplexity AI provides real-time answers and insights. Anthropic's agent skills focus on secure, collaborative enterprise solutions. Lumo prioritizes privacy with encrypted assistance, and Codo elevates code quality through automated reviews. Each tool brings distinct advantages, helping you tackle complex tasks with greater ease and efficiency.
Section 1. Goblin Tools, the Overwhelm Slayer. All right, first up is a magic trick for anyone who's ever stared down a huge, scary task and just froze. It's called Goblin Tools, and it's your secret weapon for breaking down overwhelming projects. It's designed to solve one universal problem: task paralysis. You've got something like plan a family vacation or write a research paper on your list, and your brain just goes blank. It's too big. Goblin Tools was built specifically for this, and it's a total game changer for anyone. But it's especially brilliant for neurodivergent folks who struggle with executive function. Here's the magic. You type in any task like clean the entire apartment. Then, you click a little magic wand button, and its Magic To Do feature instantly breaks that monster task into a clear step-by-step checklist. Clean the apartment becomes gather cleaning supplies, clear clutter from all surfaces, dust furniture, vacuum floors, and so on. It even has an estimator that guesses how long each small step will take, which is incredible for planning your day with a dose of reality. And the best part? It's completely free. It's a simple, powerful first step into AI that takes the fear out of big projects and gives you a clear, actionable plan instead. Section 2. ChatGPT, your all-purpose brainstormer. Okay, tool number 2 is the one you've definitely heard of, but you might not be using it to its full potential: ChatGPT. Stop thinking of it as a simple chatbot and start seeing it as your all-purpose creative partner. The enemy is always the blank page. Whether it's a tough email to a client, a new marketing plan, or just figuring out what to do this weekend, starting from scratch is the hardest part. ChatGPT, especially with the latest GPT-4o model, is the ultimate way to break through that. It's become this intuitive, collaborative partner that feels like it's thinking with you. Here's my magic trick for using it. I don't just ask it to write something for me. I use it to think. So instead of saying, write a blog post about productivity, I'll say, I'm creating a YouTube video about 8 AI tools. Act as a script writing expert. Help me brainstorm a powerful hook using the Problem Agitate Intrigue framework. Then, suggest 3 compelling anecdotes I could use to illustrate the pain points of disorganization. With GPT-4o, it's now fully multimodal, meaning it can process text, images, and audio with incredible speed. You can upload a confusing chart from a report and ask for a summary, or even show it a picture of your fridge and have it dream up a recipe on the spot. It's your instant brainstorming sidekick, ready 24/7 for any creative challenge.
Section 3. Motion, the master scheduler magic trick number 3 is where we get serious about winning back your time. Are you tired of your calendar looking like a game of Tetris that you are constantly losing? This tool, Motion, is a master scheduler that automates your entire day. The pain point is all the manual planning. Every single day, we waste so much mental energy just deciding what to work on next. shifting tasks around when a last-minute meeting pops up, and trying to juggle deadlines. Motion is an AI-powered tool that aims to eliminate this chaos by managing your tasks and calendar for you. Here's the magic. You dump all of your tasks into Motion, give them priorities and deadlines, and its AI engine automatically schedules them right into your calendar. But the real trick is its auto-replanning. Imagine a client books an urgent meeting right in the middle of your focus time. Instead of you scrambling to reorganize your whole day, Motion instantly sees the conflict and reshuffles your other tasks into the next best slots, making sure everything still gets done. It's a project manager, task manager, and calendar all in one. While it is a premium tool, individual plans start at around $19 per month if you pay annually. For busy professionals, the time and mental energy it saves is invaluable.
Section 4. Reclaim AI, the focus defender. If Motion is the offensive player planning your attack, tool number 4, Reclaim AI, is your defensive lineman protecting your most valuable asset, your time. Here's a problem we've all had. Your calendar has an open slot, and before you know it, a colleague books a meeting right when you plan to get deep work done. Reclaim solves this by acting as an intelligent, flexible shield for your focus time. It isn't a full-blown project manager like Motion. It's a smart layer that works right on top of your existing Google or Outlook calendar. The magic is in how it time blocks. You tell Reclaim your priorities, like work on Project X for 3 hours a day, or personal habits like go for a walk every afternoon. Reclaim finds the best time and blocks it off. But here's the genius part. It marks those blocks as flexible. If a truly urgent meeting needs that slot, Reclaim lets it happen and just moves your focus block to the next best time. It has fantastic features for smart one-on-one meetings and priority scheduling links that help you stay available without sacrificing your deep work. It's more affordable than Motion and is perfect for people in meeting and heavy jobs who need to defend their time without building a wall around their calendar. Section 5. Perplexity, the genius researcher. Magic trick number 5 is for anyone who has ever fallen down the Google search rabbit hole, ending up with 30 open tabs and still no clear answer. Meet Perplexity, the AI answer engine that gives you knowledge, not just a list of links. The problem is information overload. Traditional search engines serve you a list of websites to sift through, and so many of them are clogged with ads and SEO fluff. Perplexity is different. Think of it as a hybrid of a search engine and an AI assistant. Here's how it works. You ask a question, just like you would in Google, but instead of just giving you links, Perplexity scours the web in real time and then writes up a direct, concise answer, complete with citations and sources for every single claim. Need to understand a complex topic for a report? Ask Perplexity. You can even ask follow-up questions, and it remembers the context of your conversation. For many research tasks, the difference in speed is night and day. While Google is still king for local searches or shopping, Perplexity is an unbeatable research assistant when you need accurate, sourced answers, fast. Section 6. Fathom, the silent note-taker. This next tool is pure magic for anyone who lives in back-to-back meetings. Tool number 6 is Fathom, the AI meeting assistant that takes notes so you don't have to. We all know the pain. You're trying to actively listen and contribute to a conversation, but you're also frantically trying to type notes. You end up either missing key details because you're typing, or you miss taking good notes because you're trying to be present. Fathom solves this by being your silent, automated scribe, with many users reporting high transcription accuracy. Here's the magic. Fathom joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams call, then automatically records and transcribes the whole thing. But it's not just a giant wall of text. After the meeting, it delivers an AI-generated summary breaking down the key topics, decisions, and action items. It even tags who said what. And with integrations into tools like Asana and Zapier, you can send those action items straight into your project management system. The free plan is incredibly generous with unlimited recordings, making this an absolute no-brainer for anyone who wants to be 100% engaged in their meetings.
Zapier has transformed the way people work by automating repetitive tasks and seamlessly connecting more than 8,000 different apps. At the heart of its platform are zaps, which act as simple commands that trigger actions across multiple tools, streamlining everyday workflows. Recently, Zapier introduced AI-powered features, such as Zapier agents, which take automation to the next level. These agents can execute complex, cross-app processes autonomously, all based on plain English instructions. This innovation makes it easier than ever to boost productivity and reduce manual effort in both personal and professional settings.
Section 8. Grammarly, the communication coach. Our final magic trick, number 8, is a tool you probably know, but its recent AI upgrades have made it so much more powerful. It's Grammarly, but it's not just a spell checker anymore. It's a full-on AI communication coach. The problem it solves isn't just about typos. It's about making sure your message lands with the right tone and impact. Are you sounding confident? Friendly? Is this formal enough for a client? Grammarly now helps you nail all of it. The new magic is in its generative AI features. Yes, it still flawlessly corrects your grammar and spelling everywhere you write. But now, you can highlight a paragraph and ask it to adjust the tone from direct to diplomatic, or have it rewrite a clumsy sentence to be more concise. You can even generate an entire email draft from a quick prompt. It has specialized AI agents that can help with everything from brainstorming ideas to ensuring your writing has a professional tone. It's an indispensable tool for anyone who wants to communicate with clarity and confidence every single time. We're halfway through, and I hope you're already seeing how these tools can totally reshape your workflow. If you're getting value out of this, a quick tap on the like button would be awesome. It really does help the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these tools you're most excited to try. Now, let's get back to the magic. Conclusion. So there you have it. 8 AI magic tricks to make your daily frustrations disappear. From smashing overwhelming tasks with Goblin tools, to automating your entire schedule with Motion and tying it all together with Zapier, these tools are here to give you back your most precious resource, your time. AI isn't some far-off, futuristic concept anymore. It's a set of practical, powerful tools you can use today to work smarter, not harder. My biggest piece of advice? Don't try to use all 8 tomorrow. That's a recipe for overwhelm. Just pick 1 or 2 that target your biggest headaches and start there. A great starting magic stack could be ChatGPT for ideas, Motion for scheduling, and Fathom for meetings. The goal is to build a system that handles the busy work, freeing you up to focus on what actually matters. All the links to these tools are in the description below. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and go reclaim your time.